Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is a timeless self-help and personal development classic published in 1937. This influential book has inspired countless individuals to achieve their goals, accumulate wealth, and lead fulfilling lives. The core premise of the book is that success begins with a powerful and well-defined mindset. In this summary, we will delve into the key principles and concepts presented in the book. Introduction: The Power of Thought. Napoleon Hill begins Think and Grow Rich by emphasizing the central role of thought in shaping one's destiny. He asserts that a burning desire for success, combined with a clear and definite purpose, is the starting point for achieving any goal. Hill believes that thoughts are the seeds of success and that by harnessing the power of one's thoughts, anyone can accumulate wealth and achieve their dreams. 1. Desire, the starting point of all achievement. Hill argues that a strong, unwavering desire is the first step toward success. To illustrate this, he introduces the story of Edwin C. Barnes, who manifested his desire to partner with Thomas Edison through persistence and a burning desire. Hill emphasizes that desire must be backed by faith and a clear plan for its realization. 2. Faith, visualizing your goals. Faith is the second key principle, and Hill contends that one must have unwavering belief in their ability to achieve their desires. He introduces the concept of autosuggestion, which involves repeatedly affirming one's goals and faith in their attainment. By visualizing success and maintaining a positive mental attitude, individuals can overcome obstacles and self-doubt. 3. Autosuggestion, programming your subconscious mind. Hill emphasizes the importance of autosuggestion, which is the process of feeding one's subconscious mind with positive affirmations and beliefs. By consistently repeating these affirmations and eliminating negative thoughts, individuals can reprogram their minds for success. Hill also introduces the idea of a mastermind group, where like-minded individuals collaborate to achieve their goals collectively. 4. Specialized knowledge, the power of education. Hill argues that specialized knowledge is crucial for success. While formal education is essential, practical knowledge and experience are equally important. He encourages readers to continuously acquire knowledge relevant to their goals and to consult experts when necessary. This chapter also emphasizes the importance of decisiveness. 5. Imagination, the workshop of the mind. Hill contends that imagination is a powerful tool for transforming desires into reality. He encourages readers to let their imaginations run wild and to see themselves already in possession of their goals. By creating detailed mental images of success, individuals can generate enthusiasm and motivation to pursue their objectives. 6. Organized planning, turning dreams into action. In this chapter, Hill underscores the significance of having a clear, organized plan to achieve one's goals. He introduces a 6-step plan that includes setting a specific goal, creating a detailed plan, establishing a definite date, developing a plan for dealing with obstacles, and creating a written statement of one's desire and plan. Hill also highlights the importance of persistence and the willingness to adapt plans when necessary. 7. Decision, the mastery of procrastination. Hill argues that decisiveness is a crucial trait of successful individuals. Procrastination is the enemy of success, and making prompt decisions is essential for progress. He advises readers to avoid unnecessary deliberation and to commit to their chosen course of action. 8. Persistence, the sustained effort necessary for success. Persistence is the key to overcoming adversity and achieving one's goals. Hill discusses the story of the 3 feet from gold as an example of how many individuals give up just when they are on the brink of success. He encourages readers to persevere in the face of setbacks and to view failure as a stepping stone toward success. 9. The power of the mastermind, collaboration and support. Hill introduces the concept of the mastermind group, a collective of individuals who work together to achieve their goals. He emphasizes the value of surrounding oneself with like-minded, supportive people who can provide guidance, inspiration, and accountability. 10. The mystery of sex transmutation, harnessing creative energy. Hill explores the idea that sexual energy can be channeled into creative endeavors and used to drive ambition. He suggests that individuals can achieve higher levels of productivity and creativity by redirecting their sexual energy toward their goals. 11. The subconscious mind, connecting with infinite intelligence. Hill delves into the subconscious mind's role in shaping one's reality. He suggests that the subconscious mind can be influenced through the repetition of positive thoughts and beliefs, leading to a stronger connection with the infinite intelligence or universal consciousness. 12. The brain, a broadcasting and receiving station. This chapter discusses how thoughts and desires are transmitted to the universe and attract corresponding vibrations. Hill emphasizes the importance of maintaining a positive mental attitude to ensure that one broadcasts positive energy and attracts success. 13. The sixth sense, tapping into intuition. Hill introduces the concept of the sixth sense, an inner guidance system that can provide insights and solutions beyond ordinary knowledge. He encourages readers to trust their intuition and develop this innate ability through meditation and reflection. 14. Overcoming fear, the greatest obstacle to success. Fear is identified as one of the most significant barriers to success. Hill explores various forms of fear, such as poverty, criticism, and ill health, and provides strategies for overcoming them. He advises readers to confront their fears head-on and to cultivate self-confidence. 15. Outwitting the devil, defeating negative influences. In a candid and metaphorical interview with the devil, Hill discusses the negative influences and temptations that can hinder success. He emphasizes the importance of controlling one's thoughts and maintaining a positive mental attitude to overcome these influences. Conclusion: taking action and achieving success. Hill concludes by reiterating the importance of the principles outlined in the book and emphasizes that success begins with a definite purpose and a burning desire. He encourages readers to take immediate action and to persistently apply these principles to achieve their goals and ultimately think and grow rich. In Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill provides a comprehensive guide to achieving success through the power of thought, desire, faith, and action. By following the principles outlined in the book, individuals can overcome obstacles, harness their inner potential, and realize their dreams. Hill's timeless wisdom continues to inspire people worldwide to pursue their aspirations and create a life of abundance and fulfillment.